திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். நம பார்வதி பதயே. ஹர ஹர மகாதேவா. தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி. எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி. ஏகம்பத்துரை எந்தாய் போற்றி. பாகம் பெண்ணுரானாய் போற்றி. காவாய் கனகத்திரனே போற்றி. கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
Tamil culture has been shaped by devotion, and the now celebrated devotees like Tirunavukarasar, Sundarar, Thirugnana Sambandar and the Nayanmars and many more. These devotees shaped the Tamil culture steeped in devotion. Why devotion is the heart of this culture? Because the wisdom of this land realized that devotion is a tool for one's dissolution. Devotion is the most powerful way to get yourself focused towards anything that one wishes to realize, not just for the spiritual dimension. Whether it is art, sport, business, politics, whatever, if one is not absolutely devoted, one will never touch significant levels of achievement. One has to dissolve into what they're doing. One has to come to a state of abandon. In this abandon there is ecstasy. In this abandon there is fulfillment. It is through the power of devotion that human beings have scaled heights which normally were not seen as possible. One beautiful expression of this devotional process in this land are the Thevaram, a wonderful expression of human devotion, how a devotee is the basis of the divine, how a devotee becomes the divine, how a devotee dissolves into what he considers is divine and becomes one with it, as salt has become part of the sea. Here, our children from Isha Samskriti render this Thevaram. They have grown up in this culture of devotion. Devotion most people understand as some kind of subservient life. No, a devotee is very clever. A devotee dissolves into his object of devotion and conquers by inclusion, conquers by becoming one with it. There are two ways to take the world, either by conquest or by inclusion. The devotee chooses a wiser and a more intelligent way of doing it, by inclusion, by dissolving.
தில்லை வாழந்தன தமடியார்